Here we are at the Olympic Stadium in Beijing. I'm on the third floor. Let's give you a little tour around. There's still snow on the grass, but all looks wonderful. There's a little mascot. And after we finish here, I'm going to go right to the very top of the stadium and look down at the view and over the city of Beijing. They're just spraying water on the track now to get rid of the ice. Beautiful sunny day. Now we're going to go up to the top floor. Well, here we are on the roof of the bird's nest. A beautiful view of Beijing. I've just got out the lift and I think they've closed the bloody roof. So I'll have a walk up and have a look. Well, no, they haven't closed the roof. My mistake. I'm just in the middle of a steel structure at the moment. So here we come to the roof of the bird's nest. Looking down onto the track, the 100-metre stretch where Mr. Usain Bolt broke his world records. Right, let's go and take a seat inside the stadium and have a look around. It's quite a big stadium. I can only imagine the atmosphere here when Usain Bolt broke all those world records. 3 world records he broke at the stadium in 2008. So let's take a seat. Seat 13, I don't think so. Let's go up here. A long time for this ice to melt inside the stadium. There's no ice or snow anywhere at all in Beijing at the moment. Just here. And it's a beautiful clear day. 2 mad Chinamen there. The only 2 people in the stadium. Okay, let's come back out on the trackside and have a walk around the outside of the stadium and give a little show of the complexity of this bird's nest stadium. Apparently what I've heard is that Chelsea's new stadium being built next year, it's going to be modelled on this stadium. Wander around through here. I think I'm the only Westerner here actually, because they're all Chinese. Inside to like the museum bit, and I'll just show you what the bird's nest looks like at night. It's all lit up. Showing you the route of the Olympic torch. I've just got to show you this here. This is famous. This is the famous Segway that run over Usain Bolt at the 2015 World Championships in this stadium, and they've decided to frame it, which is a little unusual. So now we'll come out to this entrance 506, which is, or should be, the finishing line of the 100 metres. And yeah, look at that, there it is, the finishing line. There's still a lot of snow on the ground. Let's have another tour around. As you can see, I've come down one level, and we're going to go down another level shortly, all the way to trackside. But unfortunately we're not allowed on the track. Just let's get a trackside view of things, and showing replays. Probably not the Olympics they're showing, they're just showing last the World Championships in 2015. This little chap down here is very busy pouring water on the track, trying to melt the ice, and he's got his work cut out because he's got the rest of the stadium to do, as you can see, covered in ice. Okay, now we come down to level 1, which is almost right by trackside. And there's himself. Hey, maybe we can have a walk around the whole stadium. Let's have a look. Down here. Plenty of cleaning going on here. And look at this, Beijing held the Olympics here in 2008, just 9 years ago, and they're going for it again in 2022. Look.